We're just not covering window, we create the future. We're specialized in custom window treatment, so all the shades, the drapes, but our main specialty is really like everything that comes out about like the curtains.
Everything that we sell is made in-house, so our own manufacturing, we take care of all the projects by ourselves.
One of the main challenge that we have is to find out exactly what he wants. Sometimes they say that they want something, but it's not what they think is good for them. So for us, it's like give them guidance, and also there's a whole process of ordering, delivery, and the installation. The installation is a big part of the reason why everything's working well. We want to have a team like just don't do a good sales, but like manage all the rest and make sure that you're happy, because you want to do your window treatment one time and don't want to do it again.
What I'm passionate about is making every customer happy, and we want to make sure that every detail is not overlooked.
We take care of meeting the expectation of our customer, and we're going to do the extra mile that other companies sometimes is more about selling the product and delivers.
I want to make sure that my clients are not just a number, but they're part of our family. You can reach us at exoticshades.com, on Instagram at Exotic Shades, and on Facebook, Exotic Shades.